Hi, my name is Anya and this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Hermes. They've sent me a couple party cones. So in this video I'll show you some of the recipes I made with these party cones. And if there's any recipes you would make with these party cones, please leave in the comment section below. I'd love to see them. Don't forget to give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to see more of my videos.
These party cones are a staple at any birthday party. A box comes with a variety of different colors, which is helpful when you have kids who want to have a cone in their favorite color. The first recipe is just a simple ice cream cone. I found these white chocolate balls and I decided to cover them in some gold luster dust. And look how golden they look. I then coated the rim of the birthday party cones into some melted chocolate. I dipped the cones into some sprinkles. Feel free to also fill your cones with sweets or cake. I filled mine with mini marshmallows. I let some Hermes vanilla ice cream defrost for a few minutes. Then I piped it onto the cones for the classic swirl look. Add the golden ball on top. And there you go, a simple ice cream cone that can be enjoyed on a hot sunny day. Now for the next recipe. We will be making some clown cupcakes. First start by adding some melted chocolate to the tip of the ice cream cones. Then dip into some sprinkles. Continue to do this for the rest of the cones. Pipe a few dots of buttercream along the side of the cones. Add some jelly sweets on top. Continue to do this for the rest of the cones. Make or buy some cupcakes. I just made a few vanilla cupcakes. Ice them with a little buttercream. Take a cone and push it slightly into the cupcake. This is creating the clown's hat. Add 2 dots of chocolate to represent the eyes. Add a red sweet in the middle to show the clown's red nose. And cut a small strip of licorice to make the clown's mouth. And look how cute these clown cupcakes look. They are so easy to make and they are perfect for a baking activity for the kiddies to do. You can order these cones on the Hermes website or find them in selected stores.